In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an equation in Google Slides. First, let's get started by opening up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, you'll want to sign into your Google account. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button, then choose the Google account you want to use. Type in your password and click Next to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a small grid of 9 squares in the upper right corner of your browser window. That's your Google Apps menu. Click on those dots and you'll see a drop-down list of Google applications. Scroll through this list until you find Slides and click on it. This will open Google Slides where you can either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Once you have your presentation open, it's time to access some key tools that will help us build equations. Head over to the top menu and click on Extensions. Hover your cursor over Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons from the list. In the search bar, type Math Extension. In my setup, I've already installed this extension, but if you haven't done so yet, simply click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions, click Continue, choose your Google account again, and click Continue one more time. You'll need to scroll down to review the permissions, and then click Allow to proceed. Having done that, it's time to use the Math Type extension to create your equation. Click on Extensions at the top of your screen again, and from the drop-down menu, select Math Type. Once selected, click on Open Math Type. You'll notice that a panel opens on the right. Click Open Math Type again within this panel to access the equation editor. Now you're all set to start typing your equation directly into the editor. Make sure to take your time here and enter each part of the equation accurately. Once you have finished crafting your equation, the next step is to insert it into your Google slide. To do this, look at the top of the Math Type panel where it says Insert and click on it. The equation will be inserted into your open slide. You might find that the default size isn't quite right for your needs, but don't worry, you can click and drag the corners of the equation box in your slide to resize it as necessary, ensuring it fits exactly where and how you want it on the slide. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and inserted an equation into your Google Slides presentation. This method should streamline your workflow, especially if you're presenting mathematical content regularly. Thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.